Oh! She's a zombie! Fuck! Oh my god! Oh. Ah, shit. God, no! Shit!
I just wanted to stop! Meanwhile, on planet Quartu,
Dr. Nefarious,
Drek
the
in
mad
this. Drek.
scientist who made all of this possible.
Mad suggests cognitive impairment. I'm more of a vengeful scientist. I
Nefarious.
trust you're here to meet the troops.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime up.
What?
Hello.
What?
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction.
Oh no.
3, 2.
Oh, a defect. Go play, Victor.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Planet Quartu. So then this is like a retelling of the original
the helpless
game?
defect knew
Oh,
that his
Warbot
best chance
Factory.
for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could
Clank.
just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there alive.
Yeah, escape the factory.
I know you will find the defect, Victor. You never disappoint.
Well, let's get out of here. Yeah, the vents.
The feeble defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb
Yeah.
at whatever lay in his path. The young defect spotted a
Ah.
spring bot ahead of him and knew that
Spring
with
bot.
this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces.
Of
Gravity.
course.
The hopeless defect had to throw a spring bot. But where? And how?
Right here. Wow. What? Yeah. It would appear that I am, though, but... Oh, he's out there. Shit. Nice. I'm gonna take it with me. Because who knows if I might need it... Oh, never mind. Whee! Clank. Let's go. Oh, shit!
There you are.
Oh, my. Ah! Ah!
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap.
Ah! You know, logically, you would have been able to stop me by now.
Get back
Yoink.
here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot.
Oh my god! This is actually kind of nerve-wracking.
Oh no, water.
Water? You can't do water? Bye, bitch. Oh my god. Whew, that was intense. Well, hi, buddy. What's up? See, because in the original, Drek and all that was like, you know, a character who.
Suddenly, the
So I'm
defect
trying to
spotted a
figure this
power
out. Then I guess
This
it's
device could power
just
up
a
a variety
retelling.
of machines. But where should he throw it?
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling.
It's over
What
here.
seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, Chairman. I've got him right where I want him.
Nope, too far. Alright, cool. Of course they changed the voices up, because if I recall, in the original game, Drake had a deeper voice, so I'm just nitpicking. I'm gonna enjoy this as a fresh experience, just like you guys should. Whee! Yeah! Smashy, smashy. Cool. So I pick him up, and we go up here. Yeah! Cool. And we go this way. Come on. I'm not Defect. I have a name. It's Clank.
That was not so hard.
No, I have a name. It's... Well, wait. I want that. How do I get the golden screw? What do I do? What do I do? Hang on. Do I have to have like a power-up? Any way to get that? Gotta get that. Probably not. That sucks. I want that golden screw. It's gotta be for a trophy or something. I'm sure there'll be a way to get it. Let's go. Whee! More running? Yep. Hi, buddy.
You can run from me?
I mean, I've been succeeding so far. Ugh. Ah, jeez, on the conveyor belt. Whoa, hello.
Get back here, you miserable defect!
No, thank you. Oh, you're changing it up, are you?
Try outrunning this!
That was new. Oh, fire. Ah, jeez.
I'm gonna rip
Oh, no.
you apart, sprocket by sprocket!
Keep going. Ah! Go away. Water. Haha, take that. Now we shall escape. Whee! A little robot that could. Let's just escape then, shall we? Uh-oh. Bye. Oh, not bad.
Computer. Set coordinates for the Galactic Ranger home base.
Destination.
Sounds
set.
good.
We will never make it, but hey, what are you gonna do?
Oh dear.
Back to Veldon. With silver and gold hoverboard cups for greater bolt prizes. Sounds good. Meanwhile, back on... see, I got a feeling, and it's good and bad, that these are all just literally clips from the movie. So it's like the plot of the film, but the game version.
What?
Hey! Well done. No. Hello? Oh my god.
Huh?
Clank!
5,
Oh jeez.
4,
Uh-oh.
3, 2, 1.
No. Saved your life. Hey, buddy.
No vector shell damage. Sister board appears to be intact.
Sister board.
I must get to Alero City. They are in danger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey,
What?
who's in danger?
An army is coming. I must warn them.
Hang on, slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back
What?
to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time.
Thank you. I appreciate the assistance.
It's no problem.
Yeah.
So, what do I call you?
I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B54296.
Maybe I'll just call you Clank.
What?
My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
A million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he
Yes.
leave the proto-engine on in the garage? The answer
Maybe.
to all these questions was yes.
All right, hang on. I'll get
All
us
right.
back to the...
Oh shit!
All
I'll
right,
get us
hang
back.
on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Oh. There's little glowy glows. Should be a relatively short trek. I wonder how long the game is. Here we go. Where do I go? Like up there. Oh, cool! I didn't know I could do that. What did I miss?
Large gaps were child's play to Ratchet. All he would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado. Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Ooh!
Nice.
My first weapon.
Combustor.
Fortunately, placed crate.
Ratchet
Look at
basked
that
in the
ammo.
freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Fusion grenade or combustor? Combustor.
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
Ammo. Nice.
Impressive shooting. Nice work.
Yes. Oh shit, Nefarious.
You're going down, Lombax!
Oh, nice.
Large.
Ow!
What are they doing here?
I have information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Drek. He must have tracked my position to your planet, so he could get it back.
Yep.
Ratchet had to think fast. Perhaps the hook shot would solve his current conundrum.
Yes, indeed.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Copy that, Ratchet.
You're not walking out of here.
Alright, now it's getting hard. Oh, it's getting hard.
I'm hurting.
Ow!
I think that's all of them.
That is difficult. I like this. You gotta time that right. Well, there's a challenge and they said hard. I like it. Let's go. Oh, my bad. Timed it wrong. That's fair enough. Here we go.
Whoa, is that a Blarg dropship?
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the dropship of death.
Great.
Oh, jeez. You don't say. Where is it? Ah! Whoa, hello. Ah! Die. Oh my god. Oh, that'll do it.
Done, Ratchet.
Nice. Let's go. Oh, there's the garage. We're almost there. Oh, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of them down there.
For some defect. Ah, it's not that bad. You got clean.
The Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up
Nice.
until the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
You got it, buddy. Oh, bridge is out. Alright, let's do this. How far is the aim? Oh.
For Chairman Drek!
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
Whoa, hello.
More bots.
Hello.
Down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna...
Ah, that's getting harder. Oh, it's a challenge. I like that. They weren't lying when they said hard.
The Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up till the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
Alright. How many grenades do I have?
I've got you on holovid. There are more enemies moving in.
Incoming dropship detected.
There we go.
Destroy target.
More bots.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sorry about that.
In slow
Gotta help up
motion.
on a project.
A beginner's guide to quantum burst engines.
Just throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
What fun singularities. Nice.
Grim,
I did
coast is
it.
clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, why is Zoni's name just exploded?
Sorry about that, Grim. Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Interesting. What kind of factory is this?
This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the ship's looking everywhere for this thing. Alright, let's go. Return to the garage. Well, yes, so
Once they were safe, Clank explained Drek's plan to attack the Hall of Heroes. With the Galactic Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero work.
Oh,
I can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
But why are you not in any of them?
Well, someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship.
What?
It disassembles so it can infiltrate enemy strongholds. So what do you say?
Yeah. Nice.
That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal, but it is being jammed using a Blargian signal dampener.
Damn Blargian. Hello. Oh dear. Oh my god.
Don't worry.
We're going
the computer
down.
would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising.
Okay. Navalis. Looks like it's under attack. Oh, it's that one chick. Yeah, this is the home of the Rangers, right? Yeah, so the place is under attack. We done
Well,
did diggity crash.
it's damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on.
Yeah.
Maybe there's someone in town who can help us.
We'll head in. Oh my gosh. We'll head into town in the next episode. Goodbye, traveler.